What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 3 of the Cr250 build. So today we're going to be taking out the front suspension, getting the order for the rebuild kit. And then we're going to take out some parts on the engine and then clean out the rim. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so there's 8 bolts over here. They're just a 12mm socket, top and bottom, and that's it. Alright guys, so we're going to take out this rod lifter. There's a pin over there. Then we're going to take a 28mm socket. And there's a lock washer. Then a washer. A clutch. Pulls out like that. Well, I took it apart, so when I have the water pump that should be coming in anytime soon, it'll be easier for me to install. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a little break. We got some socket Japan over here. So we came back from our break, so right now we're going to be installing those radiators. 4 bolts on a 10mm, and that should be it. Guys, so I'm going to be cleaning out the rims, front and back. Let's get to it. So it's the next day, so I'm going to be finishing up this rim right here. That should be it. Let's get to it. I cleaned the front rim and the back one. Looks good. You're probably wondering why I cleaned the front one, because all painted, so I just want them powder coated front and back. It's gonna be matte black or gloss black. Hopefully it works out. It just don't fit in my oven, so I have to send it out to a special guy that powder coats, and I hope it turns out really good. Alright guys, so we're gonna be cleaning this gas tank as much as we can. Try my best on it. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I tried my best cleaning this gas tank, but I just couldn't get off all that yellow stuff. I don't know what that is. But I might put some graphics over it. That should be good. That's going to be a wrap for this video. I managed to clean both of the rims. Looks great. And I tried doing the gas tank. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on anything. And go follow me on Instagram at FixBuildAndSend. See ya.